I'm Sam with Happily Hooked. So we are back with another indie dyed yarn review. I'm really excited about this one. This is also one that's featured in our magazine this month, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more information about this yarn and why I love it. So this is from Cornbread and Honey, so I have it flipped the other way because my address is on the front of this. This is absolutely stunning. So this is her 2020 birthday colorway. It's this really pretty, like, variegated purple with some like dark spots and light spots. It's so pretty. I adore this. So I'm going to open this up. We're going to cake this really quick so that way it's easier to work with, and that way I can swatch it up and show you guys what it looks like. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna cake this, like I said, grab my hook, and we'll get started. Hi friends, real quick, when you click the link below to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only do you get to join the happiest place on earth for crocheters, you're also going to get these amazing hooks and this amazing project bag that I use every single day. So click the link below and subscribe today, and I'll see you in the community. Bye! Alright, so I've got it all caked up. So I wanted to show you, I don't know if it's going to come across as well. Like, these colors are stunning. So there's like indigo purples and blues in here. There's these like mauve-y colors. There's some like lighter gray streaks through it. Like, and pink. There's little specks of pink. I'm obsessed. Like, obsessed with this. I love this yarn. So this is a 2020 birthday colorway called Phoenix Rise. It's a fingering weight yarn. I'm obsessed with this. Like, it's beautiful. Let me grab the label. Yeah, small batch hand dyed 2020 birthday colorway. It is 75% superwash merino and 25% nylon. There's 437 yards in here, so this is a good size cake. And this is fingering weight yarn. Which normally I don't buy fingering weight yarn, but I loved this colorway online and I love it even more in person. So we're going to swatch this up. Look at that. It's just so pretty. So we're going to swatch this, see how it works. I'm just going to use a 3.5mm hook because, like I said, I normally don't work with fingering weight yarn. It's normally too small for me. But I had to have this one. Alright, so we've got a little tiny swatch done. And these colors, the sun came out so it got quite a bit brighter in here. These colors are just breathtaking. Like the purples, the grays, the like lavender and darks. Oh my gosh, I love this. So like I said, it took me a little bit longer to crochet because it is fingering weight yarn. I did half double crochets just because that's what I like to do to see the stitch definition. But this is beautiful. Like, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous skein of yarn. It frogs really well. I just love this. Like, if you don't use fingering weight yarn, you might want to use this one just because it's so pretty. But yeah, so this one runs, this was $26. I got this off of their Etsy. Put my little ball back in there. But yeah, so I love this yarn. I think it's stunning. Like I had said in the beginning, we do have an interview, like article feature on them in our magazine this month. So make sure you click the link in the description below. Check that out. But yeah, this is beautiful. So if you're looking for like a reasonably priced, this is the $26 mark is pretty standard for a lot of indie dyed yarn. Between 26 and 32 is where they tend to lie. So if you are in the market for beautiful yarn, you want to snag a skein, I recommend this one. This is just so pretty and it cakes so well, and now I'm just going to stare at it for the next like 2 hours. But yeah, so if you have another dyer that you want me to review, or you have any questions, just make sure you leave those in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!